y bienvenidos a Esdes, la escuela de español del campus adventista de Sagunto. Hoy tenemos un día especial porque hemos hecho un programa sobre cocina española. And now it's going to be about dessert. Do you like dessert?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's start with something very typical from Valencia. Then it's going to be horchata and fartons.
Smells more like milky, like because there's no cinnamon in it.
It smells like
I don't know.
yeast. It smells yeasty.
Oh, it kind of does.
Like
Yeah.
rising dough.
That's not what I was expecting.
No.
No, when I think horchata, I think something very different. I think of the typical Mexican horchata that's made with rice and cinnamon and sugar.
So
Okay.
a lot more cinnamony than.
No, there's no cinnamon in
No,
this.
you're not cinnamon.
I actually really like it by itself too. I like how it's like sweet. It's like a sweet drink, but it's not overwhelmingly sweet or anything. So give it like a 9.
You should try with the fartón. Dip the fartón in the chat.
Yeah, that's how we really do it. Eh?
Okay,
we
okay.
make the fartón like a churro. Yes.
Mm.
So that you wouldn't recommend to anyone.
No, but the fartón is very
The
good.
fartón, yes.
And it neutralizes the flavor.
I think the fartón is a solid 8.5, 9. Now to give the horchata around a 7.
Okay, all right. What about you, Kelly?
Yeah, I'd say the horchata alone is like 6 out of 10, but with the fartón, 9 out of 10. Really good.
For the horchata, I give it a 3.
Thank you.
For the fartón, I give it like a 8.5.
9 and 9.
Now we are going to try something really exciting. It's called boniatos. You expect apple inside?
Not apple.
Or a banana? No.
Boniatos.
Boniatos. Empanada de boniatos.
That's apple. It's like an apple pie.
Oh yeah,
but like
it's
small.
definitely apple.
I would expect apple to be in this, but
Do you think there's something in the middle?
oh, definitely. You can see it.
Oh, you're spoiling the fun now. It's supposed to be a surprise.
Hey, I mean, I've never had this, so
Me neither.
we'll find
Okay.
out.
Okay,
Cheers.
try it.
Kind of like it. The more you eat it, the better it gets. I think the first bite was just a pure shock. It was actually really good.
Yeah, you're right.
I'd give it 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10.
8 out of 10 for me.
It's like seasoned with an apple pie, but it doesn't taste very appley. Probably an 8.
It's so nostalgic, like eating Thanksgiving dinner at home, so I'm gonna give it a 10.
The truth is that inside it has sweet potato.
Oh, that actually makes sense now.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And the last one comes directly from Mallorca, one of our neighbor islands, ensaimada.
Just looks like a sad cinnamon roll, really.
Whoa.
It has cinnamon?
Reminds me of a cinnamon roll.
Yeah,
But
like a powdered sugar cinnamon roll.
Does it have cinnamon in it?
It doesn't look like. Oh, it's really soft. Wow,
it's a lot softer.
I wasn't expecting that.
It's really good.
A probarlo.
Oh. Yeah, I like it. It's kind of like the consistency of a croissant
I think this one's my favorite one so far.
with powdered sugar. Yeah, it's really nice.
Second bite, third bite,
For me, this is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I like this.
Wow.
I would give it a 9.5 out of 10 because I feel like if
Oh.
they put some filling here, that'd be a 10 out of 10.
No, for me, it's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a croissant that just has powdered sugar and stuff.
I would agree with that, but like
But-
slightly softer than a croissant.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
so anyway.
It's really good. Yeah, actually, it's like more condensed too, a little bit.
And it tastes butter. I think it's like an 8, a solid 8.
I give it like a 9.5. I would eat this a lot if I.
Okay guys, we will do more short videos in the future. Would you like to participate?
Yes,
Oh, of course.
Okay.
We should do this every Wednesday.
Good, thanks for having us.
Bye.
Si te gusta nuestro vídeo, dale al like y suscríbete a nuestro canal. ¡Hasta pronto!